Welcome to the magical, sparkling blue ocean. Today is a very special day, and everything is bright and beautiful under the sea. Suddenly, the water begins to swirl. A magical storm is here with glowing purple bubbles and dark shadows. Stay safe, little sharks, oh no. The storm has passed, but Mommy Shark is all alone. She looks everywhere, but her 5 little babies are gone. Mommy Shark turns to you with a hopeful smile. She asks, "Will you help me find my 5 little babies?" We need to be brave. Let's start our adventure. We will count everything we see to find the clues. Are you ready to explore the magical ocean? Look! It's Ollie the octopus in the sandy clearing. He's wiggling all his long arms to say hello to us. Hi, Ollie. Ollie says he will help us if we count his arms. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great counting. Ollie points the way to Starfish Beach. He thinks one of the babies might be hiding near the bright stars. We've arrived at Starfish Beach. Look at all these colorful, smiling friends. We need to find and count 5 starfish to find Finn. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There is the 5th starfish, sitting right on top of a big rock. The 5th starfish moves aside with a splash, and look. It's baby Finn, the explorer. We found our first baby. 1 shark found. Finn is so happy to see his mommy. But we still have 4 more babies to find. Let's head over to the Shell Valley. Wow, Shell Valley is filled with 10 giant, colorful shells. They are so big and shiny. Let's count them all, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's a lot of shells to count. Wait. Behind the 10th shell, I hear laughing. It's baby Bubbles playing with a stream of air. 2 sharks found. You're doing great. The ocean is getting deeper. Look, it's our friend the manta ray. He's so big and gentle. He wants to give us a ride. Hop on. Mommy Shark and the babies are riding on the manta ray's back. Watch the bubbles trailing behind us as we glide. A school of tropical fish is passing by. They are every color of the rainbow. Let's see if anyone is hiding behind them. Look, behind that fish, it's baby Splash doing flips. He loves to dance in the water. 3 sharks found. 3 more to go. It's getting a bit darker now as we enter the jellyfish forest. But don't worry, the jellyfish glow like beautiful lanterns. There are so many. We need to count 12 jellyfish to find our way through the forest. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We made it through. Look over there by the glowing reef. I hear someone singing. It's baby Sunny. She is singing a happy song near the coral. 4 sharks found. Just 1 left. Our final stop is the Rainbow Coral Garden. Look at all the dolphins and turtles gathered here. It's so crowded and happy. We need to count 7 happy seahorses to find the last baby. Help me find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Behind that last bit of coral. Is that a little tail? Yes. It's baby Tiny peeking out shyly. All 5 babies are back. Mommy Shark is so happy. She gives all 5 of her babies a big, warm group hug. They are finally safe and together again. Look at the celebration. The dolphins are dancing, the lights are sparkling, and there is even magical confetti in the water. Fantastic job! You counted perfectly and helped Mommy Shark find all her babies. Math makes every adventure so much more fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little sharks in the deep blue sea. Sing along as they dance their happy dance. Great job today, Math Explorers. Don't forget to subscribe to Math for Fun Now for more magical math adventures. See you soon!